going on, guys? Welcome back to Moto Gang Design. Today I have the Hyundai Palisade 2019 for full wrap with the matte prime green from 3M 1080. So I have to wrap the door and then need to remove the side mirror and then also door handle too. And I want to take video of the how to remove the side mirror of the Hyundai Palisade and then show you guys. But please, before starting, please subscribe my channel, comment below, and then if you watching my video helpful for you, please share it and then like it. I will really appreciate that for your guys support me always. Thank you. So let's do it. Okay. For removing the door trim, something like that, you need it for the inside the armrest. Have the something like those are cover. Okay, just remove that one. Oh my god, this is the tip now. Oh, I don't know, just information. This door got changed because the owner got the accident, they changed it. And then other side original from company is screwed with the torque 30. But they just change it and then they just screw it with the just only regular screw. You can see that. So let me bring the screwdriver for that. Please, I hope your guys never get those problem with your car, but if you get an accident or something, please take your car to the place they have enough experience to fix the car, and then they also do care of the car. Okay, I unscrew it, and then here I have the one cover, also a speaker, and then cover behind some cable for the side mirror is there, and also for the removing the door trim, this one have to come out. You need something. I use the wrapping squeegee. You will find something to put it behind. Okay, that's come out like that. That's it. And then now you can check, nothing here. I already did in the other side, so I check it. That Hyundai Palisade actually my first time. I never done it before, but today I started. So okay, just the bottom, and then with your knee holding the door like that, and then pull it to yourself. Don't worry, all is the plastic key. Then door trim coming out like that. Okay, I hope I can show you guys. Okay, this is the inside the door trim. Okay, this is the cable or line for the open the door from the inside interior door handle. So you see that here have little tab. If you hold this one, it's coming out, and then same way going inside. And then you have the one cable here, you have to disconnect it, and then other one here for the window switch to up and down. Okay, let me put the camera back. So all those have little bit tab, just push it inside and then sliding out. That's simply easy. This one also come out too. You can see all sticking to the door with the dozer key. Green and then white. Now, let me check you guys can see or not. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay. Now I can. So, here, let me remove this one, but don't need it. Here, I have one cover like that. Push it up and then come down. So, inside, have one, two, three, and then also two key, but those are key that those style sticking or installed with the two small screwdriver. So those are, I think, is the 10 millimeter. Yes, I'm sure 10 millimeter. And then this line is the side mirror line. So let me remove those. But if you are really beginner or even professional, just when you want to remove the side mirror, if you are two person, much better. So one other person can hold the side mirror from the other side. That's much safe and easier. Okay, I unplug it. So let me open those key too. Okay. So guys, I will show you the other things, other problem. I have lucky I didn't damage the body because I grabbed the side mirror, and then side mirror is still no problem on it. Okay, let's see together what's going on. I show you guys 3 bolts, right? One here, and then other one here. That fucking shop didn't screw this one, which means this one didn't go inside the side mirror. After 2, side mirror fell down. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. So this is the way how you have to remove the side mirror of the Hyundai Palisade. And then I show you some, not my mistake, is the who installed this door mistake. They first screw with the other screw, and then for the side mirror, excepting the putting the 3 bolt, they just put the 2 bolt back and then leave it the 3rd one, just, I don't know, just for nothing there. So you guys don't know how much my heart beating now, because customer fixing his car and then brought here to fix it, and then if I damage the body, oh my god, I'm making the big problem. Thanks God I didn't get any problem. So for the door handle, here have the little tab or cover or cup or something, plastic one. I already take it out. So, and then the one bolt you can see there, is you can screw it, or with the 10 millimeter socket you can remove it. But I'm sure this door handle should have the cable behind, because this car have the keyless. So let's open it. Let's first try door handle coming out or no. So I'm sure have the cable, because for Korean car usually cable is behind this cover, like not like Mercedes or BMW. You can take out the cable and then unplug it from outside. Didn't come out yet. Okay, let me show you. This is the door handle, and here have the cable. If you push this one down, door handle will come out. Let me put the camera on the stand there so you guys can see well. On the top, okay, this one just a little bit hard because it's not moving at all. Just push it and then slide it off so it come out. And then don't worry about this cable, because those are is not like the BMW, because BMW have cable. If you not stick this one and then grab it with some masking tape, I'm gonna go inside. This one, look at here, have some plastic holder holding the cable. Okay, I hope you guys like my video, and please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and then like my video. I will make more video for you guys, especially for my Korean viewer. I'm sorry because I cannot speak Korean, but as much I can, I'm gonna put the Korean translator. See you next time.